In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted records in Monday.com. If you've ever accidentally removed a task, a group, or even an entire board, don't worry. Monday.com makes it straightforward to bring things back, as long as you act within the available recovery window. Start by heading to your profile menu in the upper right corner of your Monday.com workspace. This is the small avatar or initial icon you see at the top. Clicking it opens a quick menu with several personal and account options. From there, choose Trash. In some interfaces, you might also see it referred to as the Recycle bin. This area is where recently deleted items are kept temporarily before they're permanently removed. Inside Trash, you'll see a list of records that have been deleted, along with helpful details like the item type and when it was removed. If you're looking for something specific, scan the list carefully. Depending on your setup, you may be able to use search or sort by date to pinpoint the right record faster. Keep in mind that what you see here can be influenced by your permissions. Admins typically have broader visibility, while regular members may only see items they deleted themselves. Once you've located the record you want to recover, move your cursor to the right side of that entry and click the three-dot menu. This reveals available actions for that particular record. Choose Restore. After you confirm, Monday.com will return the record to its original location with its data intact in most cases. Items usually go back to their original board and group, while boards themselves reappear in your workspace. If the original board was also deleted, you'll need to restore the board first so the item has somewhere to go. If the content was archived rather than deleted, it won't show in Trash. You'd retrieve it from the archive instead. A few tips to help you succeed. Deleted content in Monday.com typically remains in Trash for a limited time, often about 30 days, before it's permanently purged. If you can't find what you're looking for, check the deletion date and ask an account admin for help if needed. Also, be mindful of naming. If similar items exist, open the item preview in Trash when possible to confirm you're restoring the correct one, avoiding confusion or duplicates. That's all it takes. Open your profile menu, go into Trash, use the three-dot menu on the item you need, and select Restore. With these steps, you can quickly undo mistakes and keep your boards accurate and up to date.